Greetings and welcome to AS Design and Build Architecture Studio, where excellence is the cornerstone of our business. We transcend the mere creation of realistic imagery and instead offer our clients a glimpse into the future, thereby saving them both valuable time and effort. This year, we have made huge strides by setting up our very own office. We've been growing steadily for the past 6 years, and things are looking oh so bright. Our team utilizes cutting-edge tools and software to bring your vision to life. We analyze projects using industry-standard software such as ATABS, ArcGIS, and ENVI. Our 3D modeling expertise includes SketchUp, Revit, and AutoCAD, allowing us to create immersive representations of your project. For stunning, photorealistic renderings, we employ V-Ray, Lumion, and D5 Render. We offer a free consultation with our experts to understand your unique project. Reach out to us with your requirements.